So good. So good. So good. So good.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kaylaharnae. Hey, hi. There. Okay, so for first and foremost, my face is already done, as you can see. Well, the base. But I just wanted to show you guys how I put on my false lashes in like a new false lash hack that just is perfect for beginners, honestly. And my friend has her own lash brand, and she gave me a cute little package, and I wanted to open it up on camera with you guys. So shout out to Tasha, thank you. Zone 618, got you, girl. Yeah, and then also I was inspired by I Love Sarai. I hope I'm saying it right. I know her name's Karen, but you guys know what I'm talking about. She recently did like a Valentine's Day look with a really hot pink lip, and it reminded me of Candy Yum Yum. And so I don't know about you guys, but when Candy Yum Yum was like all in popping back in 2012, 2013, I was all about it. Like all the pastel lips, the bright neon lippies, I was all for it. And so I was like, that'll be fun to play with. And then also my friend Jasmine, I had posted like a throwback on my Instagram story back when I was in school in New York. And my friend Jasmine, who went to school with me, she basically, we started talking about like Candy Yum Yum and all that stuff, and I was like, I should do a video. So I was like, this would be perfect for Valentine's Day. And yeah, so let's just get into this. I honestly don't know what the video is called, but I just wanted to basically show you the lips and the eyes and the lashes. So yeah, so let's just get started, okay? The first biggest thing that I'm just going to suggest you get, especially if you're a beginner, if false lashes is not easy for you to use, or just if you love lashes and I don't know, but you're gonna like this. So this is a lash liner. It's an eyeliner, a liquid liner pen, and a lash glue pen all in one. So basically, it looks like a liner pen, okay, but this is glue. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. I do believe LAHVER has something out right now like this, but this is from Diamore Lashes. Everything's linked down below, okay? But ooh, this is pretty dirty. My little mirror. I just want to do a wing today, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just do my wing. Like that. Oh, that's a long one. Okay. Okay, so this wing is, she's a little weird right now, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna do my other eye. I'm just shaking it to get the little ball ink in there going and ready. This pen though is a little dry. I mean, I had it for a little minute. Maybe it's time for a new one. It is time for a new one. I've been using this. Okay, so my wings are on. So now this is basically like my glue, so I don't have to put on any remaining like lash glue. Typically I will use my duo adhesive glue, but she's already glued down, honey. I just want to show you the little package that Tasha gave me, and I'm gonna have her brand linked down below, her Instagram. Okay, so for one, it comes in this cute, she gave me this cute little gift bag with some freaking hand sanitizer. Abso-freaking-lutely. Okay, so let's open this up. You guys, look at this freaking packaging. I can't. So cute. Look at this. It's a little mailbox. Oh my gosh. It says, please deliver to Kaylah. Oh my gosh. I get to keep this. This is so cute. I can't. Okay, so let's open it. Now, I did peek in there already, and like these little, she's so cute, like these little like heart things. I don't know if you can see. They're just like little cute little confetti. So it's definitely confetti. Ooh, so I have these lashes. These are in money bag, the style money bag. So cute. I'm gonna show you up close. She gave me some socks and a cute little card. She gave me a hands-free tool, so like, so you don't have to, it's like a little hook thing to use to like open door handles, push switches. So you would put this on like your keychain, and when you're out in public and if you don't want to like touch the door, you know, like in the bathroom, you can just use your little hook to, I cannot. She said lashes, but make it safe and healthy and, you know, pandemic. And these cute little socks. I'm wearing these. They say be mine. Wow, they're thigh high or knee high socks that say be mine. So cute, Tasha. Thank you so, so much. I freaking love you. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I love things that I can like keep. So like this little mailbox thing, the fact that like, oh, and she gave me some chocolate. But in the fact that like I can keep this, like, let's just. So cute. I don't know, but I'm obsessed, and I've just never been so excited. Okay. So these are the lashes. Like I said, I'm in the style. I got the style money bag. Cute packaging. So cute. Look at her little logo. That's her in the center. These are so cute and fluffy, but like not crazy. Like they look thick and wild, but I can tell like they're just the perfect. And the band isn't super, super long, so I don't have to cut anything. I don't think. Yeah, no, these are perfect. Ooh, I forgot. Look, they already started to stick. I'll just be honest. Typically, what I would do is I would go in with my mascara to I have my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, but I would go in and coat my lashes just to help my lashes blend in with the false lashes. But due to certain circumstances and certain things I have to do today, I'm not keeping the lashes on all day because I have something else to, some other content that I need to do, and I need to use my real lashes, so I'm not going to put on mascara in this video. But I always recommend putting on mascara before you go in with your false lashes. That way everything blends in. But good thing these are pretty thick and dark, so that that doesn't matter. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with my liner glue pen thingy. And just because we did take a little long while I was showing you guys, I'm going to just go back over my wing, just the lash line, so I can make sure everything sticks. And I'm okay if like they lift a little bit. I just wanted to do this really cute look for you guys because I'm excited to put on that lipstick, and I was excited to play with these lashes. Okay, all right, so freaking cute, so cute. And by the way, false lash tips. So the way you know which lash goes on which eye is because typically lashes do flare out, and there will be a shorter like end. So as you can see how it's like more full on this end. So obviously I would put that so that it flares out. So that's how you know, if that made any freaking sense. My eye is watering. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Tasha. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Do you see that? Girl, you did that. So good. So good. So good. So good. And that was so easy. All I did was just have to place it on there because, and what I think that makes this so like easy and perfect for beginners is because you don't have no wet glue, and it's easier to have control because it's automatically tacky, whereas if I go in with my duo glue, you have to wait for it to dry, and if you wait too long, you gotta reapply, then it can get clunky. So this product is just like wild. I literally just take my tweezers and just literally just drop them down, and then just, you know, fix any, you know, make sure it sticks to your line. And even if I'm not doing even if I'm not doing a wing, I'll still line my eyelid kind of thick because it helps any imperfections. So like if you have any gaps when you put on your lashes, you can't even see them because you can't even see them because the lash will hide it, if that makes sense. But yeah, so pretty. These are super dramatic, but I love it. Are they even? Are they even? I think so. And I love the packaging for this, by the way. So now I am gonna go in with my my mascara though. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. If you don't know about this mascara, then now you do. It's just like one of those things that is part of makeup history. But I'm going to coat my lower lash line. Lower lash mascara just like gets you right. See that? Okay, now time for the lips. Okay, so for my lip liner, I'm going in with Magenta Lip Liner by NYX Cosmetics. Do you guys say NYX or NYX? I say NYX. The lipstick that I'm going to be using is super bright, so I just wanted to make sure I have my lips lined. I don't even know if they still make this, the shade, but if not, just check the description box. If they still make it, then obviously it'll be listed down below, but if not, I'll find a dupe for you. Okay, so here it is, y'all. So super freaking bright, okay? She is neon. So let's just, I haven't used this in so long. And it's a matte shade too, so I made sure I have on my Carmax. Okay. Oh, so pretty. That's bright, huh? I'm gonna go back in with my lip liner and just like, you know, ombre her a little bit, just make her look a little bit more put together. Is that cute? I haven't worn a bright color like this in a hot minute though, but I feel very like Valentine's Day-ish, you know? What you think? I am gonna add a little bit of highlighter. I have the Dose of Colors highlighter, the Chasing the Sun. It was the Desi Katie collection. I'm just going to put a little on my nose, like that, and a little on the cheek, very lightly. I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Okay. There we have it, guys. Super quick, super simple, and this is a super simple, like quick and easy, last minute Valentine's Day look. Is just a super base, and then what really can like really dramatify your makeup is your lips and your lashes, okay? Really the lashes. But that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it was something, just something cute, inspirational for you to do. I love a playful, colorful lip. It's been so long since I wore a color like this on my lips, so it's taking a little bit to get used to. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like bright lippies like this? Like, what's your thing? What's your take on it? Yeah. Yes. Okay. And I just want to shout out again to Zone 618. Thank you so much, Tasha. I love these lashes. They are gonna get a lot of use. Like, love these a lot. And then also remember, I'm gonna have linked down below the lash pen glue thingy down below, so you can get one for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm pretty sure it was a nice quick one. I'm not sure, but yes, let me know what you think, and I will see you soon in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat. Everything is linked down below. And of course, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and all of that jazz. Okay? you.